All right, y'all, we're gonna make a garlic parm, chicken and potatoes. This is gonna be a tasty one. So buckle up. You're in for a very scrumptious ride. Okay, here we go. So we dump in 4 russet potatoes that we cubed up. We're gonna throw in some avocado oil. You can do olive oil or any oil that you want. Just throw that in there. Throw in our seasonings. We're gonna do salt. I don't do measurements for this, just kind of to taste. So however much season you want. We got pepper here and garlic powder. Finally, we're gonna throw in some paprika as well. And just get that tossed together in our bowl. Shaking and baking. All right, so once we have that nice and tossed together, we're gonna throw it into our air fryer at the bottom right here. If you don't have air fryer, you can do this in the oven. Got the air fryer set to 400 degrees. We're gonna pop it in there for 20 minutes while we go to the next part. All right, now we're gonna start cooking our chicken. We're gonna throw in a couple tablespoons of butter. Once you get the butter melted, let's throw in our chicken. Get it nice and spread around over the butter. While that's cooking in the butter, we're gonna throw in our seasoning. We have salt, paprika, Italian seasoning, onion powder, and pepper. That rest of this stuff up there. Just get that nice and tossed. So all the seasonings mix in real good. And this is 2 chicken breasts that we cubed up in case y'all are looking for the amount to throw in here. All right, y'all, these potatoes are looking really good. We had them 20 minutes in there. They're looking crispy. Before we throw those in though, we're gonna throw in 2 tablespoons of minced garlic once that chicken is cooked. Get that mixed around in there. And you're also gonna throw in, very important part, some garlic Parmesan sauce. Buffalo Wild Wings. Just go ahead and pour that over the top of it. However saucy, creamy you want it. I like my stuff pretty saucy, creamy. My wife will tell you that. Oh yeah. Get that all nice and mixed together. Okay, once you got that all nice and tossed, let's go ahead and throw in our potatoes over the top of that. Get that mixed in. This is looking really good. All right, y'all, we got that nice and tossed in there. And finally, we're gonna throw in a cup of mozzarella cheese that I shredded myself over the top of it. And then finally, we're gonna throw it in the oven at a broil for just a few minutes. Get that nice and melted on top. All right, just after a few minutes, you wanna go ahead and take it out. And you got that cheese nice and melted on top. Look at that, folks. That is awesome. Oh my goodness. You think I can try it like it is? Or I need to let it cool down?
Oh yeah, that would be pretty tasty.
I want to get it like while it's fresh and stuff. Look at that cheese bowl. Oh my goodness. That looks awesome. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Hold on. What do you think, baby girl? She's like, I want some. All right, let's try it. Whoa. Y'all gotta try this at home. This is probably one of my favorite things I've ever made on this page. Y'all gotta try it.